Welcome to our quick guide on how to thicken chili in under 2 minutes. Let's start with the essentials. You'll need ground beef or your preferred protein, onions, garlic, chili powder, cumin, paprika, tomato sauce, diced tomatoes, kidney beans, salt, pepper, and our secret ingredient. In a pot, sauté onions and garlic. Add your protein and brown it. Fast-forward cooking process. To thicken, sprinkle flour and mix to create a roux. Add chili powder, cumin, and paprika for flavor. Pour in tomato sauce, diced tomatoes, and kidney beans. Now, the secret weapon, dark chocolate. Stir in the chocolate and let it melt. Season with salt and pepper and let it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. There you have it, a rich and thick chili that'll warm your soul. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow chili lovers. Got any chili tips? Share them in the comments below. Stay cozy and enjoy your homemade chili. Don't forget to subscribe for more tasty recipes. See you next time.